Power can be generated from many different sources. GE's electrical balance of plant solutions work seamlessly across a broad range of applications to get power from the source of generation out into the grid. Turbines and generators are at the core of power plants. They need advanced monitoring, protection, and control to ensure optimal performance. GE motors and drives enable the auxiliary processes throughout a generation plant, and our advanced monitoring and control solutions help maintain process integrity. Our advanced communication solutions, including wireless and wired, enable an intelligent and connected power plant. GE's energy management systems provide real-time visualization and control of critical electrical processes through our advanced protection, communications, power quality, and metering devices. Generated power is evacuated into the grid through high-voltage substations. GE's electrical equipment, including transformers, circuit breakers, and gas-insulated switchgear, integrates with our advanced monitoring, protection, and control solutions to ensure reliable and efficient power. GE's intelligent controls, visualization software, and electrical equipment work together seamlessly throughout generation facilities to ensure the highest levels of availability, sustainability, and efficiency.